In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up deals in HubSpot with pipeline automation. Whether you're just getting started or you're looking to enhance your current system, I'll guide you through the necessary steps to streamline your sales process efficiently. First things first, you'll want to open HubSpot and make sure you log into your account using your credentials. This is essential to access all the features we're going to utilize today. Once you're logged in, you'll be welcomed by the HubSpot dashboard. From here, our journey begins. Next, we're going to navigate to what is known as the trial guide. This area is an invaluable resource offering various tools and information that will aid you in developing and refining your form-building processes. So, let's make sure to make full use of it. You'll find that familiarizing yourself with these resources will only bolster the automation we're aiming for. Now, let's turn our attention to the home page. Here, you'll need to locate and click on the CRM tab. HubSpot CRM is a centralized platform where you can manage customer relationships effectively, crucial to setting the foundation for our pipeline automation. After accessing the CRM, look for the Deals section and click on it. This section is a primary feature of HubSpot that allows you to manage all your sales deals in one place. Moving forward, you will want to click on the Settings menu. Settings allow you to configure the specifics of your deals, ensuring they align with your business objectives and sales strategy. Now within Settings, your next stop is the Pipelines section. Pipelines are instrumental in organizing your sales process, providing a visual overview of where each deal stands. By clicking on Pipelines, you'll be able to customize your sales stages, ensuring they fit your business model seamlessly. This step is crucial as it sets the groundwork for the automation you'll soon set up. Finally, with your sales pipeline in good shape, it's time to bring automation into play. Find and click on Automate. Pipeline automation is a powerful feature HubSpot offers to minimize manual entries, automate repetitive tasks, and most importantly, ensure that no opportunity slips through the cracks. By harnessing automation, you can focus more on strategy and connecting with potential clients, rather than getting bogged down by administrative tasks. And there you have it. You've now set up deals in HubSpot with pipeline automation. Remember, taking the time to understand and configure each setting to suit your needs is key to optimizing your sales process. Take advantage of the trial guide, streamline your CRM, and enjoy the efficiency that automation brings to your business operations. Thank you for joining me today, and happy selling.